Today we are going to find the surface area of a rectangular prism using the table provided below. So let's look a little bit closer at this table. The first column is showing us area of rectangular face left side. Notice that the left side and the right side are the same color, yellow. That is because the area of the left side is going to match the area of the right side. So whatever we get for our left side, whatever work we get, we are going to copy that work directly into the right side box. So let's look at the left side. The base is given to us, 6 meters. However, the height isn't clearly labeled. But what we know about rectangles is the opposite side length that's labeled matches that side. So 5 meters is on this side of the rectangle, so that's going to match the side that is not labeled here. So our left side is 6 times 5. And what is 6 times 5? 30. And whatever we have in our left side column is going to match the right side. 6 times 5, which is 30. Now let's look at the area of the rectangular face front. Notice that the front is colored in blue, which matches the rectangular face back, which is in blue. So whatever I get for my front area is going to match my area for my back. So the base of my rectangular face front is 9, and my height is 5. So 9 times 5, which is 45. And now I'm going to copy my work from the front into the back column. Okay, almost done. Now we're going to look at the area of the rectangular base top. Notice that the top rectangular base doesn't have any labels clearly written on them. So we can look at the bottom if you're not sure what those labels are because the bottom matches the top. So the base of my bottom is 9 and my height is 6. So 9 times 6, which is 54. And I'm going to copy that work into my bottom column because the top matches the bottom. 54. Okay, so now that our table is fully complete, we are not done just yet. So our last step says add up the bottom row to get your total surface area. Notice I colored the bottom row in orange. So all of those areas that you have just found, we're going to add up. And I'm going to chunk them so that it's easier for me with adding. So 30 plus 30 is 60. 45 plus 45, which is 90. And then 54 plus 54, which is 108. Now I'm going to add those 3 numbers, which is easier than me trying to add 6 numbers. So 60 plus 90 plus 108 is 258 meters squared. How do I write squared on a Google Doc? I will show you now how to do that. So you are going to go up to your menu up top and you're going to select Format. You're going to click Format, hover over the first option, which is text. And then you're going to go all the way to the right here. You're going to go to Superscript, and you're going to click that. Notice next to meters now, you see a cursor blinking a little bit higher up. So now I'm going to write 2. And I made my 2 super small to represent meters squared. And there you have it. You know how to solve for surface area of a rectangular prism using the table provided.